Hi, welcome to my channel. Maybe here. So today I'm taking you to Winners Estate, Trans Ekulu Faces Extension Enugu. So basically what I'm doing in this video is I'm driving to the plots available in this estate. Currently there are only 2 plots available in this estate and I'm going to show you on this video, okay? Please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Hit the bell icon so that you're going to get notification on every video that I drop on this channel. Alright, without saying much, we all know that Winners Estate initially was selling bungalows, and they had this whole mortgage system at first. It was so cool. They were selling 4-bedroom bungalows and everything was going fine. Right now everything is sold out, okay? It's alarming how many people want to get this bungalow right now, but nothing for them. Okay, so this is us approaching the gate, and yes, I'll be driving straight to the plus and then you're going to see me afterwards. Okay, I mean, come on, this estate is so beautiful. I mean, I love the road, I love the arrangement. Once you're in this estate and you want to check out this plots I'm about to show you, all you have to do is just watch my video. You enter the main gate, then you get to the first turn by your left, you enter, and then you're going to descend on a road like valley. Right now you're going to see me descend that road. So now once you reach the end of this road, take your left. In a short while I'll be appearing on this video and I'll be doing more explanation on the plots available, and then I'm just going to talk about what the estate is doing at the moment. Alright.
Hello guys, so maybe here I'm in Winners Estate. So I've had a lot of requests about plots in Winners Estate. I tried to explain that Winners Estate at the moment does not have bungalows for sale, but there are few plots left. Before I came to make this video, there was 3 plots in this estate, but as I spoke with the company, I discovered that it's only 2 plots remaining. So look at this axis. This is still Winners Estate. You can see the bungalows down from here. And then look down there, you're going to see a gate that the estate just put up. Now this gate is supposed to protect people leaving this axis. So don't say this road is not tarred, other road is tarred. No, this place is already been awarded out. I mean the contract to tar this road. Meanwhile, there is a dual fence here. Okay, they didn't raise the fence because some people are still building on this plot. That's why the fence is not raised. So I want you to get the picture that Winners is actually an enclosed estate. Now, when it comes to plots available, this is one of them. Now, the fence starts from here. You can see the fencing. Come closer so they see the fencing. Starts from here and walk with me. Walk with me all the way down here. This is 500 square meters. Right here. Let them see the fence. This is 500 square meters. Okay, so let me show you the second one. So let me show you the second plot here, just down there. this is the second one down here. So this is actually 2 plots, but then this one is for sale from here all the way here. So just look at this building here. You see where the wall started? Just draw like a straight line from that wall to this particular place where I'm standing. Now this is just one plot, 500 square meters. You can also see that there is duplex here already completed just opposite the plot. You can see it. And also this is the gate I was talking about. Come with me. Now this is the gate I was talking about. Now don't say Winners is not an enclosed estate. Winners is an enclosed estate, okay? It's just that people are still building in this axis. That's why you see the untarred road, and then you're seeing this little gate here. But you can also see duplexes along this axis. This land belongs to Winners. All right guys, so all you need to do is call my number if you have questions concerning these 2 plots I just showed you. These are the only plots available for sale in this estate. This estate is sold out. I have other estates outside this estate. I have plots in Legacy Estate. I have plots in Blossom Garden Estate, which is also within this axis faces extension. So call maybe right now, call my number to get plots in any of these estates. And if you want a video representation, I have that too. Take care and God bless you.